Hello everyone, welcome back to the Honey Herd Field Notes. It's Sunday the 15th of February and I'm back at the Menai apiary site to finish a task that I started yesterday. So back in early February, Abelo were having a bit of a sale, and like probably thousands of beekeepers across the country, I thought it'd be a great opportunity to grab a bargain. So I grabbed 4 nuc boxes with each with an extension box and a feeder. So that would be 4 nuc boxes on double brood. And they arrived a while ago, but I haven't got round to sorting them out. The nuc boxes arrived really quick after I ordered them actually, which was quite a surprise. I thought they'd have been really busy with orders. So it was a really pleasant surprise to have them so quickly. However, I've only just got round to sorting them out now. The nuc boxes came flat packed and unpainted. I knew they were going to come unpainted, but I didn't realise they were going to come flat packed. I was a bit panicky when I opened the box and thought, oh my days, I am terrible at DIY. This is going to be a nightmare. But actually, they were really easy to put together, even for me. These field note videos are supposed to be minimum editing, but if I can and I get round to it, I'll put some B-roll up now. So as I mentioned, the nucs come flat pack, just consisted of a floor, 2 side panels, 2 end panels, a roof, and I ordered a separate feeder. Didn't come with any frames or anything, but as you might have seen in previous videos, I've just been waxing a load of frames ready to go. So why did I order some more nuc boxes? Well, beside the fact they were on sale, come on guys, they're on sale, you've got to buy stuff, right? But as I've mentioned in previous videos, I'm really hoping to expand the honey herd next season. I've got definitely one other apiary site and potentially a third one, and I'm hoping to get up to about 20 colonies by the end of next season. I'm not sure if that's going to be too much, but there's only one way to find out, right? It's proper Paul Hearn fashion. That's how I do things. I just jump in 2-footed and hope it all works out for the best. So yes, I'm back at the Menai apiary site. Fortunately, there's a small workshop on site. It's not my workshop, it's a family member's workshop, and they've been kind enough to let me use it. I started doing everything yesterday, which was Saturday. I'm back today to finish the painting. I gave them all 1 coat of paint yesterday, but I had to wait for them to dry so I could do the second coat. So I'm back here today to do that. Now the bees aren't going to care if they're painted or not, what colour they're painted, which is actually really handy because I didn't buy the paint for the colour. I bought whatever was cheapest. There's a bit of a sale on the local hardware store, so I'm glad the bees aren't fussy about the colours. I'm not 100% sure what colours they actually are. I just picked them off the shelf because they were reduced. They are masonry paint, so they should be fine, but I'm just painting them because hopefully that's going to mean I'll get a bit more longevity out of the boxes. So today I'm hopefully building the boxes that are going to house the future bees of the honey herd apiary. Okay, well, I'd love to stand here talk to this camera all night, but I better get cracking because it is 8 PM and I do have work tomorrow. I've got to get all this cleared away so the guys can have their workshop back for the morning. How are you guys getting on with getting prepared for the next season? Have you got loads to do that you've been butting off, or are you well ahead of the game? Let me know in the comments. Thanks very much for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.